Good evening. Welcome to Daily Profit Bazaar. A week back, while we were discussing about Nifty and Bank Nifty, I said Bank Nifty would outperform Nifty by a long way. And if you see the information that I'm giving you now or what has happened over a week, you would precisely see that Bank Nifty has come in 1 week, has grown by nearly 4.5%. And not only that, to the all-time high, it is very near actually. You can see the peak now. The all-time high of, where is the all-time high? You can see here, 54,375. And we are just one push away, and probably Monday, early in the trade, even Bank Nifty looks like moving further. I'll give you detailed analysis of Bank Nifty later, but now I'll also like an opportunity or take this moment to congratulate all our premium subscribers. Imagine we have looked at Bank Nifty from 1 week, and when the chips were down, even then we gave a hope that Bank Nifty is going to be back, Nifty is going to be back. 21,000 is not going to come. You will see Nifty more at 23,000 plus, and Nifty today is at 23,850. Similarly, in Bank Nifty also, we said, I don't see Bank Nifty coming below 49,000. I see more or less Bank Nifty moving to 51,500. I mean, the day of the Black Monday when the crash happened due to all these tariffs and other related information. Similarly, later on, we kept on telling our subscribers, premium subscribers especially, that Bank Nifty is going to move higher and it's also going to outperform Nifty. And precisely that is what Bank Nifty has done. So congratulations to all our premium subscribers. You too can become premium subscriber. You just have to visit donkeysprofit.com. And we don't believe in any kind of training. We believe in smart trading. Teaching you smart trading is what we do. We'll give you mock trading sessions, and we'll also teach you how to plot entry points and exit for both index and as well as a few stocks also. And not only that, there's a lot that I'll be discussing and telling you about what all we cover in our smart trading program. Now, as usual, let us straight away look at Nifty, what Nifty has done, and more importantly, you all may be curious, wondering where is Nifty headed, because the bounce back has been considerable and Nifty has come down to 23,851. You may be all wondering what happens next. Will we see a retrenchment back to 23,000, or we'll see Nifty climb even 23,000, 24,500? This is one question that may be in your mind. Now, let me give you a few important points of what happened in last week and what we can expect in the next week also. So FIIs are back, that is good. They pumped nearly 15,000 crore into the Indian markets in the last 3 trading sessions. That is excellent. So if you see the data from October throughout until that Black Monday, the FIs were missing in action. There was a lot of selling that was happening. Even after Trump became president also, we thought it will reverse a bit, but it didn't. It did not reverse. But now we are seeing extended inflows. Even this information that FIS are back, are going to come back. Even in one of our videos, we pointed out towards that also. In the news section, I said lot of these FIIs are looking at Indian market very positively. In the gloom, doom, and recession risk global economy, where even IMF is looking at lowering growth and all these things, and there's a lot of supply chain issues. There's a trade war happening between two superpowers, isn't it? But in midst of all these things, the FIIs, I picked up the information from Twitter saying that the FIIs are more interested to invest in India because they look at as one of the safe havens for investment. So we gave that information also earlier itself. So my suggestion is, my request is, subscribe. We expect that you look at our live sessions every day, and you'll get a lot of valid inputs that will help you make profits. Now, already I told you, due to tariff wars, obviously IMF is expected to lower the economic outlook, growth outlook, global growth outlook, and the report is expected this week. I may not be surprised if it revises by around half a basis points, which is very big when you talk about the global economy. I don't see IMF projecting anything lower than that. But let's see. This report is expected, and when this report comes out, the global markets will definitely react. And when global markets react, we can't be in isolation. Even our markets may react similarly for that. And this is what I'm trying to put out. I see 90% chances that Nifty will regain, or Nifty will regain or gain, you can take it anyway. Regain in sense, we were at 26,000, so if Nifty regains 24,500, it's regaining only. So I see 24,000 being regained, and if 23,500 holds, 24, I'm sorry, if 24,500 holds, there's this bull run may even get extended also. Okay, we may see a similar kind of situation what happened in Bank Nifty happening in Nifty also. Even now there are still shorts been built in the system, but we may see them wind up, but that will depend on the next two trades, especially on Monday and Tuesday. I won't put out anything immediately, but what I'm telling you is there is definitely a possibility that Nifty may gain 24,500 early week only, and from there let us look at data. And there's also one more probability that I'll tell you in a few minutes. So what will be further closely watched? We have to get used to it. This tariff related news will keep on coming, and few news that we may get may not be positive for the Indian companies or Indian economy. One of my worry is the pharma sector. Any tariff on the pharma sector, definitely markets will react. If at all you have exposure to pharma, or you want to trade in pharma, this is one news you should be looking for. Those people, long-term investors, should not bother, because India is a powerhouse of medicine manufacturing. I don't see anybody replacing that anytime soon. So you should not be bothered. For traders, keep an eye. There may be a news that tariffs on Indian pharma also may come. I'm not confirming, it may come. And this is interesting. Our backend team has put a wonderful statement. Bank Nifty bull run will continue to propel Nifty further. Yeah, this is possible. This Bank Nifty bull run may continue to make Nifty propel further. Actually, that is what has happened from last week. The outstanding, extraordinary performance of Bank Nifty is what has made Nifty turn a little bullish. Now, question is, what is my major concern is the global environment, the global news flow that we will receive. That is one concern. Second, possibly, I'm not saying it will. Possibly after 24,400 range, once we hit 24,400 or odd, profit booking may come. Profit booking may come in. So we'll have to look at that. VIX data, not much to speak. I would have been more comfortable with VIX was lower than 15, but VIX is at 15.47. And if at all, you have to keep an eye. If VIX, volatility index crosses 15.87, then it will be a concerning thing. If not, there is no problem. The bull market, even for Nifty, remains intact. The bull run, I would say. The overall Nifty is in the positive territory, by the way. So let us speak about Nifty support. Where does the support for Nifty come? The first support comes at 23,598, and if at all 23,598 breaks, then there is another good support at 23,481, and you can write down a further support also at 23,200. There is a very good support, and I don't see Nifty breaking 23,200 at least in the first 2 days. And I am more bullish on Nifty. I have already indicated that. But I also, with was being bullish, I also told you that their profit booking may come between 24,300 to 400 range. Talking about resistance, Not much resistance. Once 24,024 crosses, you'll see Nifty at 24,200. Hopefully, there is a resistance at 24,176. It looks like even this may break. And the next resistance is where it really gets complicated. Means it gets heated up, where I'm expecting some kind of profit booking to come. That is at 23,000. Sorry, I'm sorry, 24,400. The next level of resistance, that is R3, may come in at 24,300 to 400, and we are expecting a profit booking to happen over there. So with this, I've given you all the information. You can take a screenshot of it also. So that will be helpful for you for your trades. Now let us go to Bank Nifty. And give me a break, 1 second. We'll continue the discussion. So Bank Nifty is done very, very well. And the reason why Bank Nifty has risen so sharply has been the rate cut. Rate cut became a kind of a propellant to, what do you call, take Bank Nifty to nearly to the all-time high. Even now, Nifty is 9% down from its peak. We were above 26,000, 26,176 if I remember. So we are still 9% from the peak. But whereas Bank Nifty has closed the gap. And looks like Bank Nifty is poised to hit 55,000 to 57,000 zone very easily. But again, what is more concerning to me, our backend team also mentioned that in the point number 6, global uncertainties remain a concern. You have to keep an eye. Any adverse news comes, definitely that will be of concern. But otherwise, both the RSI and the technical chart are indicating strong buys that even has Bank Nifty is making higher high. The higher low pattern is also seen, which indicates that it's in a very positive territory, and it has got even further breakout may also come, and even 60,000 cannot be ruled out, but 60,000 will depend a lot on how good the results are going to be, especially these two banks. One is HDFC, now the other one is ICICI Bank. You must know that these two banks constitute 50% of Nifty, 50% of Bank Nifty. So re-rating definitely may happen. If at all the results are going to be good in terms of ICICI Bank and HDFC Bank. And RBI governor even in his report was saying that the banks are sitting on very good balance sheets. They are on very good strong balance sheets. So hopefully market expectation will be beaten by both HDFC and ICICI Bank. And if that happens, you can see a big re-rating happening in Bank Nifty finally, because over the years Bank Nifty has underperformed Nifty. If you take overall over the years, I mean from after the COVID recovery, Bank Nifty has been a little lagging compared to Nifty. But I hope Bank Nifty's moment has come, and we will see Bank Nifty make new highs and new peaks. So coming on to support and resistance, Bank Nifty support is at 53,800, breaking which there is good support at 53,500. The third level of support, I just giving you so that it helps all you traders. The third level of support is somewhere around 53,085, 53,085. I don't see Bank Nifty coming there, but just for information, I'm giving the data. You can write down. The resistance, not much resistance. Once 54,720 is crossed, 55,000 will come, and not only that, you may be surprised, that very very soon a new high may also come. That is why we have been pointing out, saying that this week Bank Nifty is poised to hit between 55,000 to 57,000 zone. So that is where it appears, that Bank Nifty will be on the upside itself. So this is about Bank Nifty, but even then profit booking can come, and I again reiterate, global uncertainties are there. That remains a concern, so you'll have to have an eye on it. And once you are our premium subscriber, just 17 rupees per day, we will keep you up to date. We give you a lot of news and information, and not only that, we will help you connect with us, and you can have mock trading sessions with us, where you learn to jot down the entry points and exit points dynamically. See, the problem is the difference between calls and learning to trade smart is when somebody gives some call and puts out a call with all difficulty also, let us say he's good and gives you what do you call, where to buy, and also gives you where what is the target. But the biggest issue remains that in markets things are very dynamic, and within few seconds you are supposed to make a decision, and that is where lot of traders go wrong. In spite of the calls also, the tendency to go wrong is a lot. That is why you see also many people fail in the art of trading. But the secret lies in learning dynamically plotting entry and exit points, because they change very very fast, and there is no other way but to practice, connect with us, join with us. Just 17 rupees per day, and it should not be a burden to you. You can definitely learn, and once you learn, you will be into daily profit. That's what our name is, isn't it? Daily Profit Bazaar. By the way, I hope all who are listening are already subscribed, and also you go to our website. The website is, and our backend team would have put the website link also in the description. You can click on that, and I'll further give you more information about what all we cover under our training program, or let's say smart trading program. Before that, let's look at few news streams. One news stream, rupee is expected to strengthen definitely because FII inflows may increase further into our market. Will increase, I would say, rather than may, will increase into our market. Our fundamentals are strong. We expect a trade deal also between India and America. That puts us in a elite category where we may not be any more bothered about the tariffs going further. I think somewhere before October you will see a trade deal between India and America, and we are also eagerly waiting. And once that comes in, nothing stopping. You will see new highs also coming in Nifty. I have boldly said one figure, within maybe another 14 to 15 months, you'll even see 30,000 plus in the Indian markets. Okay, that is one boldly I'm putting out that statement, because our fundamentals are very very good. Next, so these two stocks are showing signs of breakout. One is NBCC, second one is NTPC, and I'll not talk much about it, but I'll give you a little peek into what I'm looking at. NTPC, if we see the monthly data, you can figure out yourself where it is. So I see it going back to a certain peak. Okay, even from the 6 months data, I'm able to figure out that it is going to a certain peak. That is why I request you, it is just 17 rupees per day. Will also help you plot the same thing. So a lot of good gain is expected in NTPC. Similarly, even in NBCC also, let me look at the graph. I'll give you a clue also. I tend to give clues because end of the day I want you to make profits, and definitely I request you to join our premium membership. So I do see something happening here also. I'm already pointing towards something. So both stocks look poised for a breakout. There's been good buying on Thursday, and the trend may continue further also on Monday also. So watch out for these two stocks. With that, I'll give you two more stocks similarly. That is, these are from the banking sector. Both IndusInd Bank and SBI, both are showing signs of breakout again. So I'll not discuss much about it because I don't have so much time. I need to tell you more things also. But this is also looking good. Both of these stocks are also looking good. Watch out, there may be a buying opportunity. And definitely, I keep on reiterating it. Once you are our member, a premium member, you will definitely get all the assistance to find out what to do with these particular stocks. And okay, our backend team says caution. Due to sharp recent rally, profit booking may come above 24,000. I would say more than coming above 24,000, profit booking, I already told you, may come above 24,300. 24,300 to 400 range, sudden profit booking may come. But that will also depend on where Bank Nifty is, because Bank Nifty is poised for further bull run. So we'll also have to keep an eye on Bank Nifty. But even then, it appears that because at 23,300 also there was consolidation. Only then Nifty has risen by another 1,000 points. In case it comes to 24,300, I am just presuming things and telling you. And once, if at all 24,300 comes, which should this week, and profit booking may set in. So keep an eye, watch out for technical data. Always the graphs, the graphs are like heartbeat here. Okay. For a very good doctor, he'll come to know a lot of things when he looks at the graph, isn't it? Even a patient recovers, the ECG graph will give you a lot of information on that. Okay, the monitor will also tell you a lot of information. So similarly, when there is some distress or there is some pressure on the heart, is vice versa, there will be signs that you see on the graph. So got to be very good in technical analysis, because what technical analysis does for you is it can help you to plot out and predict before even the event happens. That is the advantage of learning technical analysis, and you can by paying just 17 rupees per day. You are welcome to join us. Now I will also further take one more news. This is interesting. Nifty at resistance is like a cat near water. Obviously it is like that only, because after nearly 3,000 point, or I would say, how much we were at 21,800, now we are at 23,850 odd. Nearly 2,050 points of recovery has come. Now it is going to hit some resistance at some point of time. I already told you it is going to hit somewhere between 24,300 to 24,400. And be careful. What if the cats normally don't like water unless and until they really want to drink, they drink. Once they see water, they'll run away the other direction. So Nifty may do the same thing. And once Nifty does something like this, there'll be wild swing, because as you see, the rise was dramatic. Even a correction, I won't say a correction, I would say a kind of a pullback or fall will also be similar. Give me a minute. Both will be very similar. The what they call rise will be very rapid. The falls will also be quite ferocious. So be careful. That is why I keep repeating, learn technical analysis so that it will help you. By the way, this is our website, Donkey's Profit. Our team keeps telling train to win. I believe in that. And this training has to be practical. It's not the theoretical stuff. More than gyan, what is required is practice. It requires a lot of discipline. So once you become a premium member for 1 year, just 17 rupees per day, you don't have to bother. It is affordable. It's not highly priced. We will help you, first of all, with macro and micro analysis. We'll teach you how to do that. We'll teach you various aspects of macro and micro analysis. And not only that, we will also teach you technical analysis. I've been telling you, the graphs give you a vital clue, and that is what we do. We also train you in future and options, strategies, and every day, the good part is every day you'll get information on 10 breakout stocks. Every day morning when you are connecting with me at 7:30, once you become a premium member, we'll be providing you information on 10 good breakout stocks that will help you. And other than that, every week, on Fridays, we conduct programs on multibagger stocks. We tell you, we read balance sheets for you, show you that, have a look at these stocks, how they are performing and all those things. Where we'll teach you to identify also, and we share knowledge and information with you. And further, very important, very interesting, we give you excuse me, we give you golden cross and death cross information also. People who know about this know very well this can be jackpot. If you know which stocks are making golden cross, and once they have made golden cross, if they are going to have a big breakout, okay, multi-level breakout, then there's a lot of money to be made here. So we give you input on both of these, on the death cross also. I not speak much about the death cross, but we do provide information. So also, more very, very important, we train you on risk and money management, which is like required for every trader. whatever you do in the markets, if you don't have discipline and do not understand how to manage your risk and how to manage your money, then definitely, what all you gain from 10 trades, there's a possibility that you lose in one also. So will not let that happen. We'll train you properly in risk management and money management. So apart from that, you also get a customer support for 1 year, fully professional customer support. And our backend team says this professional training is worth 25,000. I would say much more than that. If you want to get this level of professional training, so you may have to spend nearly 50,000 rupees. Here, by just 17 rupees a day, you are getting it. All that you have to do is go to donkeysprofit.com, click on join Daily Profit Bazaar premium membership, and a form comes, fill it up, and our people will contact you over WhatsApp. And once you make the payment, you are with us. Your journey for daily profits will begin with us only. And not only that, we will have a everyday analysis and premium analysis, along with, as I already told you, provide you the list of breakout stocks, which will help you to have good trading sessions every day. We also give you a 6 months package. Those who can't afford 1 year, you can go for a 6 months package. Here you get all the things what I discussed in the premium package. The difference is, we go very deep into future option strategies, whereas in the 6 months package it is at the basic level. I suggest that you take the 1 year membership only. But if you want to start off still and with 6 months package, you can still do it, because you still get those breakout stock information. You will also get a jackpot stock information. You will get a basic of future and option strategies. You will be provided all the information of technical analysis, no compromise over there. And 6 months of customer support is available with the 6 months premium membership program. And for students especially who want to learn markets, who can't afford much, we are even giving you a 3 months premium membership package at just 14.99. Okay, that is again less than 17 rupees per day. Less than, let me say, it's over 3 months. You can do your math yourself. 14.99 divided by 90, you'll get the figure. Okay, so here also we teach you everything, especially for students. This is an interesting package. And along with it, you'll learn the smart market training program. You'll also have mock trading sessions. It is a 3 months membership suitable for students, but still you will get breakout stocks, you'll get jackpot stocks. And once you master in 3 months, then you can upgrade to a 1 year package and start making profits. So if you have any comments, please leave them in the video. In the next tomorrow session, every day at 9:30, our program is live. We will when I connect with you next day, I will, if at all there are some comments regarding investment or regarding your portfolio or anything related to markets, I'll be more than glad to answer. So with that, thank you for joining with us. It's been great. So we'll watch the markets tomorrow. I hope it's going to be a very another bullish day, another positive day, I would say. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also press the bell icon. Do connect with us tomorrow at 9:30. And with that, I wish you all a very good trading week, and good night. Thank you for watching. Thank you.